This is the Cherry MX LP2.1 compact wireless keyboard. And guys, I genuinely love it. This keyboard has 70 keys instead of the traditional 104, but it's not really making me feel like I'm missing anything. Cherry described this keyboard as a colourful trendsetter, and I have to agree. The colours are eye-catching and playful, yet not too brash or annoying to the eye. So let's see what it has to offer, hey? Starting with the packaging. It's simple and places the product shot in the centre. Working my way through, I love that this product is wrapped in tissue paper rather than a regular plastic. The product comes with a customised Cherry utility software, so I could see them integrating this manual into the software in future. The first thing to grab my attention is the size. It's compact and fits neatly on the desk. Measuring around 10 centimetres, it leaves space for lots of arm and wrist movement. On first use, the features that stand out to me are the lighting capabilities, the compact size, and the premium quality feel. Moving on to the keys themselves. The keys are Cherry's own mechanical MX low-profile RGB speed switches. And giving it a type through, I can see that there's a noticeably short travel time due to its low height, and the keys give slight resistance, which provides me with the confidence that these keys are very responsive. The keys are made from polycarbonate, and I can tell they are abrasion resistant. They are made with quality material, which should mean that the keys will last a long lifetime, especially with many gaming sessions. So let's give this keyboard a sound test.
Single keys, the WASD keys, and a full sentence.
The keyboard offers the ultimate light customization with more than 16 million RGB colour choices. The compact gaming keyboard has an integrated memory where you can store your settings directly. To control the lighting, you can do that directly on the keyboard, or for a full control with all the choices, download the free Cherry utility software to customize the keyboard, available on the website. Cherry have considered the ergonomics with this keyboard. And by adding 4 silicone press stud type feet to the bottom of the keyboard, this gives the keyboard sufficient grip and will reduce the surprise movement or sliding when playing. The outside of this particular version of the keyboard has a marbled, almost speckled-like design, which I thought was worth mentioning as I haven't seen it before. Next, let's connect this keyboard to the computer. The MX LP2.1 has options. The advanced wireless technology delivers full gaming power even without cables. In the Bluetooth mode, you can connect your gaming keyboard to up to 3 devices and switch back and forth at the touch of a button. The keyboard is best when in low latency mode, which uses a Bluetooth connection to equip you for your next gaming session. Alternatively, there is a 2.4 GHz mode, where you can connect this compact keyboard with a USB dongle via wireless. The mechanical keyboard also supports a wired use via USB-A to a USB-C cable. As a bonus, you can even recharge the compact gaming keyboard whilst you continue playing. To round up this keyboard, what I love is the satisfying bounce as I type. The switches trigger with impact and speed, meaning I can trust that the signal is direct. Even though it's small, the MX LP really holds its own as a fully fledged gaming keyboard, and I'm confident that this keyboard is suitable for professional use. And finally, the customization is unbeatable. Whatever your setup is, there is a style that would suit you. So thank you so much for watching Box, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the next review video.